How to fix Grindr app not working issue. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Grindr app not working issue. If you are experiencing issues with Grindr app not working, then you can follow the several steps to resolve this issue. First of all, make sure you are connected to strong and stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or data. Also ensure that you have the latest version of Grindr installed on your device. To check the updates, you can go to the Play Store of your device, and once you open it, you make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Grindr. Once you search for it, you'll be presented with the search results below. From here, once you find the application, tap on the app icon to open it. And inside it, here look for update option. If you see the update button here, you can simply tap on it and update the application. But if you didn't see the update button, that means your application has already been updated. Now after that, you can go and clear the app cache. To do so, first of all, open the device settings and here look for apps option. Once you find the apps option, tap on it to open it, and then here you will need to search for Grindr application. Once you find the application, tap on it to open it, and here again you will need to scroll down to find the storage option. Simply tap on storage, and then here you'll be able to locate cache and data. Simply tap on the clear cache option at the bottom right to clear the cache. And if you would like to delete the data, you can tap on this clear data option at the bottom left. Also note that once you delete your data, you will need to re-log into your account again. After using all of these ways, if your problem still persists, then you can simply restart your device, close the app completely, and then restart it again. By doing so, you will be able to fix Grindr app not working issue. So this is how you can fix Grindr app not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.